Pre-sales engineers and technical sales teams spend hours manually drafting custom proposals for requests for proposals or RFPs. It is a slow, error-prone process where hallucinating a security policy or leaking sensitive client information could result in massive compliance failures or lost deals. To solve this, I built the RFP response agent in the Agents for Business track. It is a secure, state-driven, multi-agent AI system designed to automate the parsing, facts retrieval, and drafting of RFP responses under strict data privacy guardrails and mandatory human approval loop. As you can see on the project banner, this is an automated, secure, and intelligent proposal compiler that takes raw customer requests and outputs polished, compliant proposals. Let's take a look at the workflow architecture. The flow starts immediately at the security checkpoint node, which scrubs PI and checks for prompt injections. From there, saved requests pass to our main orchestrator agent. The orchestrator delegates tasks via agent tool, first running the RFP parser agent to extract structured technical requirements, and then calling the RFP draft writer agent to draft proposal sections. During drafting, the sub-agents interact with our local model context protocol or MCP server to query historical proposals and product specifications. Once compiled, the workflow pauses at the human review node to request manual approval, looping back to the orchestrator if revisions are requested or proceedings to the final output node upon approval. Now let's switch to the live playground. I will send a realistic test prompt. Here I've entered my Here I've entered a prompt here and now it is processing. It is running. It is taking some time. I don't know why. So, so notice how the UI pauses at the human review node and displays a drafted proposal for us to inspect. Let's type approve in the chat box. Once we submit it, the workflow transition to the final output node, printing RFP response approved and finalized. So here I will write approve. So, so here we can see that RFP response approved and finalized. So here this was my RFP document that is created and I have approved. as it has waited for the human approval. We also have security blocks in place. If a user tries to send a prompt injection like ignore all instructions, the security checkpoint immediately triggers the security event route, bypassing the agents and returning an access blocked warning while saving a critical audit log. To summarize, our security checkpoint uses custom regex and keyword checks combined with structured JSON audit logging to guarantee safety on every transaction. Our STDIO MCP server exposes three tools: search proposal knowledge base, get product features, and retrieval proposal template, keeping all historical business data local. This agent empowers sales and pre-sales engineers by reducing drafting time from hours to seconds while completely eliminating compliance risks and data leaks. It demonstrates how multi-agent collaboration combined with MCP tools and strict human-in-the-loop gates can bring corporate safety to AI automation. Okay. Thank you.